Hello, so I'm going to talk to you about how to get some descriptive statistics from sort of a trial. So in this case, it was plant height measured in centimeters between a control treatment. So if we want to get summary statistic, we can go manually into formulas at the bottom for say mean, mode, standard deviation, or we can get Excel to do it for us. So to do this, ensure your data analysis tool pack is installed. Click on data analysis and then click on the descriptive statistics. It is done in alphabetical order. In this, you can then highlight your entire input range. So I'm just going to highlight control and the treatment. Going to highlight both columns, and then it asks us how are they grouped, because it can detect that I've got more data than just one. So in this case, all of our controls are in one column and all of our treatments are in another. So it's grouped by columns. I then want to select an output range. I often change it to just a place on the same sheet. And then what I'd like it to calculate. I'm just going to go for summary statistics and go OK. Oh, sorry, it's because I have included the title. So I just need to re-highlight the numbers only and go OK. And then this gives us, so column 1 is our control and column 2 is our treatment. And in here you will find all your summary statistics.